My name is Raven. I've been doing this long enough to know that the city never sleeps, and neither do I. If you're watching this, you already know things are about to get complicated. 3 vehicles behind us, 1 roadblock ahead. I hate Mondays.
Same face, same voice, every single time. That's not a promise, that's what you're about to see in the next 5 minutes. In the last video, I showed you how to lock your character's visual identity across multiple shots. Today, we're adding the missing layer, voice consistency. Same tone, same delivery, same person, every clip. The problem is finally solved. By the end of this video, you'll have my exact workflow, and all the prompts are free in the description. Let's begin.
Every mission starts the same way. A name, a location, a reason they give you. The real reason comes later.
Here's the thing. I've tested multiple approaches to character and voice consistency across different tools. This is the simplest, most reliable workflow I've found. All video generation happens inside Runway. I'm using Seedance 2.0 for every clip. It delivers the best visual quality I've seen, and it handles both the face lock and the voice lock in a single pass. No external tools, no stitching different outputs together. One workflow, one tool, consistent results every time. Let me show you how it works.
Storm's coming in faster than forecasted. Good, it'll cover our exit.
Meet our character, an image I generated in my other video. If you're following along, use any character you've already created. It doesn't matter which tool you use to generate it. One clean image is enough. Now, the contact sheet. Open Runway, head into custom mode, and switch to the image generation model. I'm using Nano Banana Pro. Step 1, upload your reference shot. Step 2, paste the contact sheet prompt. It's free to download in the description. Step 3, generate. That's it. Here's why this matters. A contact sheet shows your character from multiple angles: front, side, back, close-up. Without it, the AI sees one version of your character. With it, it understands the full identity. That's the difference between a character that holds and one that falls apart after the first scene. Generate a few variations, pick the one that looks most like your vision, and save it. That image is your character's DNA. Every video you generate from now on will use it as reference.
They said use the extraction boat like a normal person. I found a faster option.
Step 2. Now we create the voice reference. Switch from image generation to video generation and select Seedance 2.0 as your model. It supports native audio and lip sync inside Runway. Upload your contact sheet as the image reference. Now write your prompt. Include the scene, the character's line, and the voice description. The voice description is where you're locking in personality. Something like, she has a confident, low-pitched female voice with a slight rasp, measured, deliberate pacing. Hit generate. What comes back is a short clip of your character, moving, speaking, with a voice that matches the personality you described. This clip is now your voice reference. Watch it. If the voice feels right, keep it. If not, adjust the description and generate again until you've got something you'd actually want to hear in every video.
My name is Raven. I've been doing this long enough to know that the city never sleeps, and neither do I. If you're watching this, you already know things are about to get complicated.
Step 3. Here's where the magic happens. This time, you're going to use multi-reference. Upload 2 things. 1, your original contact sheet image. 2, the speaking video you just generated. Runway now has everything it needs. It knows what the character looks like from every angle. It knows exactly how they sound and how they speak. Now, write a new scene prompt. Different location, different situation, but the same character. Hit generate, and that's it. Same face, same voice, new scene. You can keep doing this. Swap the scene description, keep the references the same, and your character travels with you anywhere you want to take them.
40 floors, no problem. I've done it in less time with worse equipment.
So that's the full workflow. reference sheet to lock the face, voice clip to lock the sound, drop both into Seedance 2.0, and you've got a character that you can actually build a series around.
Tower, I'm gonna need you to clear that airspace. All of it, and don't ask why. Beautiful view up here. Really puts things in perspective. They said this job was impossible. I've heard that before. Impossible just means nobody's tried hard enough.
Character contact sheet prompt and the action scene prompts are in the description, free to download. Subscribe if you want more tutorials like this. I test different AI tools all the time and share my honest results. That's it for today, and I'll see you in the next one.